Wix versus Squarespace. Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between Wix versus Squarespace if you are an artist. So if you're an artist and now you want to have a portfolio website, here I have this table demonstrating the difference between these two. So here, as you guys can see, if you go to the portfolio website, Wix has over 900 templates as compared to Squarespace, which only have 110 templates. If we talk about the customization option, Wix allows you customize, limitless customization, so you won't have any limit customizing your page. But Squarespace is less customizable as compared to Wix. If we talk about the easiness or easy to use, Squarespace is more easier and user-friendly editor as compared to Wix. If we talk about the AI editors and classic website editors, Wix has that, and Squarespace only does have, classic editors. So if we talk about the winner, in my case, I would go for Wix, but if you are a total beginner, and I would suggest you can try Squarespace as well. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.